choo-choo train on shiny track. Puffs of smoke, a railway snack. Passing fields and rivers too. Town ahead with sky so blue. Little houses lined the way. Kids come out to laugh and play. Train it whistles, hear that sound. Rolling into happy town. All aboard, listen close. Waving folks in cheerful rows. Chugging engine never stops. Round the bend and through the crops. There's the school and candy shop. Ice cream cone stands just on top. Everyone waves, watch it go. Choo-choo train is quite a show. Station's near, it's almost here. Watch it sparkle bright and clear. Conductor tips hat with a grin. Next adventure soon begins. All aboard, listen close. Waving folks in cheerful rows. Chugging engine never stops. Round the bend and through the crops.